Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a photo collage for Instagram posts. So before we start, make sure you have Instagram layout app installed in your device. If you don't have, you can go to Play Store and you can install this app. It's called Layout and it's from Instagram. So okay, once you finish installing the app, let's go to create a post. Okay, select a picture. Once you select a picture, you can see this collage button. Tap there. Now you'll be directed to layout app and you have 8 predefined layout to choose from. So these are the predefined layout. You can increase the size. These are the 8 predefined layout. Of course, you can always customize them also. You can increase or decrease the size. Let's choose this one. These are all vertical. Okay, this one. You can always increase or decrease the size. So the feature available for you here are you can replace a picture, tap the replace button and you can choose a different photo, and once you are done, on the top tap the back button. Now the second function you have for is mirror. You can flick the image in horizontal. So the third function you have, you flip the picture vertical, and the fourth one you can give border. So these are the functions available, and of course you can use pinch, zoom in, zoom out to resize the pictures. Okay, and things to note, you can use maximum of 9 picture to make collage. So once you are done with your collage, hit the next button and you are ready to share it to your Instagram post. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can use Instagram collage. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.